Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hob. In the last episode, I had a little bit of trouble in recording. Hopefully now that is fixed, and yeah. Sorry it's been a bit since I've posted my last video. I've just been kind of busy as of late. Getting myself a pet gecko. I'll be posting a video of him soon once I'm all set up, but for now. Hope you guys like this video. Let's do this, guys. Alright, so where's that day? Is that day gone? Right. I remember now. So in the last episode, for some reason, my audio decided that it was going to be an absolute potato. And it completely cut out my video as well. Oh, so that's the dodge, okay. Been a little bit. Come on, boy. Got it! Okay. Ooh, skimmed my cheeks on that one. Oh, wait, no, now he got me. Ew! Ooh, he almost trapped me like a piece of wood. Did I get him? Yosh! I need more health is what I need. Alright. And a hoop. And a hop. And a hoop. Alright. So I figured out the way. It's back along this way. I couldn't really see it because there was a tree in the way. Is there something hidden in all this grass? Alright. What do we have here? Weird Puppo! That was a pig, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so anything with red blood is fine. So anything that attacks me is corrupted. Okay, that's good too. Wait, what was that? I heard a big noise of a big noisy thing. Where's that coming from? It sounds like it was coming from this way, so I'm gonna go over here. Yup. What are you? Oh! That's an insta-kill, okay. Got it. Alright. Well, noted, I guess. Oop. Dang it. Alright. I'm gonna be starting to try and shorten my videos because, not only is nobody really watching them, but, I'm thinking that it's because of the length that everyone's just tapping out. So I'm gonna go to like 20, and then I'll stop. Bad, Trucky, bad. Back, demon. Back, demon. How do I block again? There's a way that I blocked. Which way was it? There we go, that's the one. Okay. It's been a bit since I've played this, but it is a very good game. Alright. Ah, checkpoint. Ooh, what happened here? Why does it feel like a bad idea to touch anything metal right now? Just a thought, you know. What's over here? Nothing. Okay. And I'm stuck on a cactus. Ah! There we go. Ooh! That's a teleport. So now I got that unlocked. Okay. So I'm gonna go here. I wanna see what I can get for upgrades. Hup, and a hoop. Okay. Okay. Improved rolling dodge. Okay. That would be nice. Okay. I don't even know what that did exactly. If it did anything at all. Alright, back to that area. Okay. A boobity boo. What's over here? Oh my goodness. I'm tempted to touch it, but I know that's a bad idea. Man. There'll be a hole right here. There's a platform there too. Can I go on this thing? I don't think I can do anything with that right now. So... damn weird blue things. Alright. Weirdo! Weirdo! Ah! Wait, did I get an extra health a little while ago? When did that happen? Weird. For some reason I had an extra health or something. Okay. So note to self, those things are no joke. We're gonna go down that hole. To the hole! Get a hook. There we are. Ooh, thingy. What do you do? Ah. Thank you. Ah! That was a close call. Okay. Hold on. Yeah. Being near death almost made me sneeze. Well, actually it did, but yeah. What do we got here? I'ma stab it. Boom. Ooh. Give me your light bulb. Okay. Can I cut these things? That doesn't seem right. Maybe there's another way? Ah, maybe here. Perfect. Open sesame. You. Do I put you over here? Ah. Checkpoint. Oh. That turned on the power. Perfect. Open sesame. Now we're in here. Oh boy. You're gonna roly-poly. I don't think there's a real way to actually get this guy right now, so I'm gonna have to keep moving. Bye-bye! That got him. And there's another one, of course, there is. Alright. Ooh, that's a taser, okay. Interesting, interesting. Interesting, interesting. Interesting, interesting. Jesus, this circuitry is dangerous. Ooh, look, the ladder. I'd say it's a good idea, but guys, come on. You could have covered up these wires. Oh, wait. Hang on. Can I get another power thingy? Or done. Ooh! Wait, what's that? Okay. Alright, come on, man. You wanna get me? You wanna get me that bad? Come get me. Hey. Alright. Nice. Okay. What do we got over here? A lot of very potent circuitry. That's what we got here. Give me your chest hair. Okay. Nice. Oh my goodness. Okay. Note to self. Don't jump off. Because you got the amount of jumping power of a pretzel. There. Okay. And I'm gonna reactivate this checkpoint because that was dumb. Alright, so is the power still on? Yes, it is. Okay. I don't think I can get another one of those orby things. So, I'm gonna have to look at it. Oh. Oh my goodness, that is a lot of electricity. That's the electric door. Good thing I have infinite roll. These guys can't catch me. They can try, though. Alright. So, what do I do about this? Let me up. There we go. Is there something I'm missing? Probably. Yosh. Give me the dinner. Thanks, mate. I needed that. Just a couple away from getting the next thing. So what do I do here? Maybe it's up top. Let's try up top. Ooh, I don't like this camera angle. Depth perception is not my strong suit. There we go. Boop. Okay. Gotta take this here big boogaloo over to the big hoogaloo. Alright. I see. Okay. Ah! Well. Oh well. But I wonder if it auto-saves. I really hope so. Looks like it did. Oh wait, it's not this one. Sometimes this camera angle is just a pain. Get up! There we go. That was weird. Okay. Okay. Now we're going over here. With a big ol' skadoosh. Okay, so that makes a shortcut. But now what? Well. So I've made some progress. And I've gotten myself to the great big boogaloo. I know what I'm doing. So, I think I'm going to leave this episode here. Alright. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I know I'm not exactly the best channel, but it would really mean the world to me if you would help me out with that. So, yeah. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.